Hello and welcome to Music with Ms.Weikle. This video is for Skip to the Barbershop. First we'll learn the song and then we'll try the game. Here we go, here's the song. Skip, skip to the barber shop. I left my hat at the barber shop and 3 sticks of candy. 1 for you and 1 for me and 1 for Sister Sally. See if you can do it with me. Ready? Skip, skip to the barber shop. I left my hat at the barber shop and 3 sticks of candy. 1 for you and 1 for me and 1 for Sister Sally. Nice work. Let's see if we can play the game.
All right, this is going to be my basket or bucket that I drop my item into. I have a shoe as my item and it's going on the other side of where the bucket is. Okay, here we go. Skip, skip to the barber shop. I left my shoe at the barber shop and 3 sticks of candy. 1 for you and 1 for me and 1 for Sister Sally.
Thank you for having a musical moment with me, Ms.Weikle.